Honor has launched its new flagship smartphone under V series in China called Honor V40 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Honor V40 features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus Curve OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10 and it has a pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 16-megapixel main camera along with the time-of-flight lens for depth sensing. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The AAA camera includes 50-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos. Under the hood, the Honor V40 comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. As per the storage, the handset packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. The smartphone comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging. On the software front, the device runs on Android 11 based on Magic UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with dual stereo speakers for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, infrared port, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.1 by 74.3 by 8 mm and it weighs around 189 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor V40 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Rose Gold and Titanium Silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor V40 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.